Ka sorkar Jylla Pynjari ya Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act, kata ke Mmpo Act, ban pensiu ya Bai Lutksan na Bynta ke Jingpynjulor ka bejia ha Bai rally jong KSU. U Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills Abhilash Baranwal, uloong bakarali kalapin Kenya ki kindon Jingbin, bat ke sorkar kalaweng no iki Jingbin na Bynta ke jingeki ha ka arpui trik unailar. Laong ba khanriutli ki jingjia sha thombor kilajia kinthop ya ki Jingpynjulor ki kali shimen ki jingthang ya artli ki kali kinthop kawai ka kali sorkar bat ki Jingpynjot ki durmot jong unitaji Subhash Chandra Bose bat uswami Vivekananda. UDC ulapin pawru bala register FIR hadin bala kawang petrol bomb shaki pulet ha kapor baki lek khinrai ka office KSU hajayao la kem yalaingun kinong yalam KSU u President Raymond Kharjana, Vice President Pinkmenlang Sanmien, ba General Secretary Ruben Hajian. UDC ula ongru ba kipulet kila pinjam ya ke Jingpyndan Kambor, hadien ke Jingpynrungti hinong yalam shnong, bat ke sorkar kadang ya lang bat ke Assam, halor ki jing'e jong ki kali Meghalaya, masya pinsangye hajan joraban, ula ong ba ke pakhang shnong kadang long galat ke bakhadu.
So we are going to definitely we are going to invoke that act, and all the damage that has occurred to public and private property, that will, basically under the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act, we are going to impose financial sanctions.
So they'll have to pay whatever damage?
Yes, as per the act, basically the one who are the organization as well as the individuals who are responsible for causing damage as part of any procession, rally, etc., they are liable to pay, and we will basically issue orders accordingly.
Well, what to say there regarding the
arrest of the three leaders? Police wanted to arrest those who were directly also involved, who could be verified to be involved in the assault as well. So they had gone to the office of KSU in Jaya. When they approached the office, at that time a petrol bomb was hurled on them. And accordingly an FIR has been filed for that petrol bomb as well, for basically an attack on the police forces. Now, when a petrol bomb is hurled on them, the police has to respond. However, the response was absolutely proportionate. There was no indiscriminate use of stun grenades or tear gas. They had to use one stun grenade, and they used tear gas just to be able to at least disperse the crowd which was trying to attack the police forces. However, after that, after the stun grenade, which basically unsettled the community, when the community leaders approached the police quickly kind of withdrew from there to not cause further inconvenience to the people. But I do want to iterate that the response was proportionate. There was no intention from police side to cause any disturbance to anyone who was not part of this protest, and simultaneously the aggression was from their end, wherein a petrol bomb was hurled onto the police forces and police had to respond. Curfew is a very it's basically a resort to last measure. As of now, I believe that people of Shillong have responded extremely positively. Yes, there is a feeling of fear. There is, as I said, on social media, you can see that many people are apologetic about what has happened because they do not really associate Shillong, the Scotland of the East, with these kind of incidents. But then simultaneously there is also, I do not really feel that there is any need to basically impose curfew as of now, because the people have responded extremely positively, and I'm sure that they are ready to work hand in hand with the government and the administration to ensure that a peaceful atmosphere is maintained.
Kata baik smart card sangat sangka.
Nhà em khá mà cả tại em SIS mà
Gak jingïada bahasa laliang sorkar hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Adhar MHIS card
untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi ni kon pi hap admin di kata hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration, dah le dam pi dengan smart card, dah sampah cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo. Te gua kam to hap Pynjari pi ka perisa ka hap lek operation ni. Tahu ka pi MHIS card pi dan ni smart card. Tengah try bayar ri pi.
Ri na pagi mo nila iyo ko isa sumar niya kon. Aman dati ni ksir iyo sumar. Kublay si Bona karo yela atau persangkafu niya.
Ini kan memang dia harus makan. Oh kan teh. Kublay si Bon. Mau.